Hey man, we should come off the piano for a minute.
No more pretending. See it, and if I want it, you know I'ma get it. Cause I'm a hustler, stay on my grind to go get it. Fuck with a nigga saying I ain't fearing no nigga. These lanes be talking, but it be behind my back. Scared to say it to my face, cause they know how I react. Keep a lot of straps so we could throw them hands, you won't do that. So why you talking behind my back? Like you on a strap? Nigga, this ain't no rap, this here is real shit. Got these pussy niggas mad, all up in they feelings. But me, I'm posted up, got these hoes like I feel them. El wanna dime, Polo Nino, yes I'm him.
For the day, I hope you enjoyed it. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Big Less ENT. I want to thank all my new subscribers as well as my old subscribers for staying tuned and watching. We got some good content coming this way. It's a beautiful day outside. It's like mid-60s, so the weather is nice. As you can see, I just got on a basic Nike sweater. I got the, what's the name of these jeans? Rock Revival jeans on. And as you can see, I'm rocking the Air Max 95 to go with the fit. Today I got some really good news. They got my rims, 3 of them together. So I'm gonna give y'all the footage of them on the side of my car to see how really well they turned out. I should be picking up the last face later on today, later on today around 5. I also got a car show that I will be going to, so I'm gonna bring you footage of that. So just stay tuned. Peace. Also, as always, make sure you subscribe, Big Less ENT, share, and give it a thumbs up. And thumbs up really help the vlog. Make sure you don't get the address in there. But today is the day. Look at these wheels. Man, they turned out pretty good. Still got to clean them up. But as you can see all the different color variations that they have in it. So I'm really excited about getting them back and getting them back on the car. Now, as y'all can see, I kept the bolts chrome to match the chrome lip. And I kept this ring right here chrome. And I got the rest of it painted. I left the F black. So I think it turned out real nice. I think it's gonna look really good on the car. I'm gonna put it up against the car so y'all can see what it looked like. Really ain't no sun on this side. Put it on this one. But that's kind of a good display of what it's gonna look like on the vehicle. Man, it's gonna look so good. It's still hitting. I can still see all the colors from this side angle. It's gonna look real good. And I dialed it up like that since I kept the lip chrome and I was keeping this chrome. You know, like some of the Forgiatos worn off on here. I can feel that in there. Because I got that piece chrome right there. So they finally back. I'm just waiting on one more. And then I'll be going ahead and putting them on the truck. So we'll be back with y'all in a minute. Peace. What's going on, YouTube? Battery about to die. Ooh, let me get out that sun. It's the end of the vlog. I decided not to go to the car show because it's like an hour drive away, hour back. Plus it's midday traffic. It just really wasn't worth it to me. I'm gonna try to start finding more closer car shows, especially if it's gonna be still daylight. That's why I have to travel so far. It's not like peak heavy traffic hours. So I apologize for that. But I think with the cars that I got in this vlog and other stuff going on, so I hope you did enjoy this vlog. As always, make sure you give this vlog a thumbs up to let me know that you appreciate the vlog, and it also helps get my channel more views on YouTube. So it's really appreciated if you give it a thumbs up, if you like the vlog. In any case, I'll get with y'all tomorrow, man. Tomorrow we got some good things coming. As you saw, I did get my rims back. Check them out. I got them over here. Look how those colors slipping on there. Like you can kind of see it pretty good in the daylight. So I got 3 of my rims back. I'm waiting on them to paint one more. They had to redo it. So I gotta have them as right as I can get them, right? So I gotta wait on them to do that one more. And after they do that one more, oh, camera dropping. After they do that one more, then I'll be putting them on. So I got a busy day tomorrow. Cause like I said, I never got around to put my brakes and stuff on. So I'm gonna get up and jump all on that. So y'all be seeing that vlog tomorrow. And get with y'all in a minute. Peace.